Welcome to Muscat in Oman, and right behind me you can see the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Bibi Mariam. The monument that you can see behind me is 10th century. It's under reconstruction at the moment, and it's ongoing reconstruction for 4 months from the 5th of February 2020. But the tomb that's underneath was actually there since 1011 years BC, and the governor of Muscat actually built it for his wife. So there's a whole system of underground caves, like an underground city under here, but we're not allowed to go down there, unfortunately. But it's definitely worth visiting. It's 20 minutes outside Soor, so if you do get a chance to come and see this, please do. Here's our four-wheel drive, the trusty duster, and our fabulous guide.